Today, me and Betty are on a mission in the Dollar Tree. Gotta tag along. Okay. Well, there they are.
Which ones do you reckon she wants?
I'd get those because that's the kind we had.
They are pretty. Do they have these at age?
They're candy.
Right.
Now we're gonna look for some napkins. We need to like just plain red. But they don't have just plain red napkins. Yeah, they do. But here they are. It's Christmas. There's a lot of Christmas stuff. These are so cute. Oh Lord, I haven't seen one of these in years. Oh, it's the little Dip'ems. And they got the little candy stick with them. I haven't seen one in years. And things right there sparkle better than a disco ball. Believe. Boy, they got a lot of new stuff in since I was in here the last time. It's only been about a week since I was in here, but there's a lot of new stuff. Super cute. Here's some of the little more expensive decorations. I'm telling you, Dollar Tree is the place to be. But anyway, okay, we got our stuff. Gotta get back to work. And if you want to know what's going on around Harlan County, scan this. Yep, do your thing. See you next video.